Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today's video, I'll be going over how to customize your dock bar on your MacBook. Before I begin, give this video a like, click that thumbs up button, like this video. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. Subscribe button will be down in one of these corners. And comment down below if you guys have any questions when this video is over. I'll be glad to help. So before I officially begin, I just wanted to go over, if you are new to the channel, what my channel is all about. It's all about how-tos, tutorials on technology, on laptops, tablets, phones, all that good stuff. So if you guys have a video idea for me that maybe it's something you would want to learn about, comment down below, let me know, and I will be more than happy to make a video about it. So with that out of the way, today's video is about the dock on your MacBook computer, which is the bottom bar here with all your icons. Think of a dock um, that MacBook would have. Compare it to a Windows machine that has the taskbar at the bottom. So think of this as a taskbar, but it's called the dock. So you want to customize it. There's a couple options we're going to go over today on how to make it your own, how to make it unique. So first thing you want to do, sign into your MacBook and make sure you're on your desktop, or you actually could be anywhere really, because the dock follows you no matter what program you're in. So first thing that if you want to do is the icons at the bottom here. If you right click any of them, you have a couple options here. You have options, show recent, and open. Open is obviously going to open the program. Recent will be what you previously had recently in these programs. So if you were for mail, for instance, if you right click it and you should click on show recent, it'll go to the most recent email that you had open before you closed the program. So if you go to options on any of these programs, so right click it, put your mouse on options, you have options of removing from dock, which obviously takes it away. Open up login, so when you log into your Mac, it'll open up that program you clicked on. It will open up automatically at startup. And show in Finder, which is just like a search. Finder just searches your whole MacBook for different things. So those were just quick options. I just wanted to go get those out of the way, that you can just right click on one and go to options, and you can remove from dock, which is pretty easy. And then these two, whatever you're comfortable with, if you want to dabble in those options, you can. So there's a couple more options that we can get through right now. If you go to the magnifying glass, top right hand corner, and type in dock, and then click on the top hit, which is dock. Click on that. Double click on that, I'm sorry. So here you have some dock options. First we have size. Now mine's on large. You can mess with this toggle as much as you want. You can go all the way small, which makes the icons pretty tiny. You can move it to about the middle, which increases their size, or you can go large, which, I mean, I feel like this is the same size, like middle and large. Like I don't see a difference, but maybe that's just me. Maybe there is a difference. Please let me know in the comments down below if you see a difference on your Mac. Magnification. So what this does is it magnifies the icon. So if I had this all the way to the max and I hovered my mouse on any icon, or any program rather, it magnifies it. See how it's like super, almost like it's zoomed in? If I do minimum, there's like nothing there. There's no zoom, there's no anything. It tells me what the programs are, but it doesn't zoom in like the max does. See that? So I'm gonna keep that. I guess I'll keep it on max. Position on screen. So what this does, it moves your dock to whatever side of the screen you want it on. So right now, by default, I have it on the bottom. I could put it on the left side, which makes it, pretend the camera's flipped, but it's on the left side here. If I do the right, it's on the right side here. Whatever you guys want or you're used to, I just keep it on the bottom because I'm used to a taskbar at the bottom when I use a Windows machine. So Keep that on the bottom. Now here we have minimize window using, the genie effect. So if I minimize this window right here, you'll see there's like an animation that you can catch. See how it kind of just like transitions itself down? It's like a nice little animation. Same thing when I bring it back up. It shows that animation. If I do scale effect, it just throws it back down into the dock. There's no animation. Pretty boring if you ask me. So I do like the genie effect. There is an option to show recent applications in dock. So if you were in, let's say, Google Chrome, it will automatically put it down here. So bottom right hand corner right here where I have a couple programs, these are the programs I may have been using recently, and it just decided to throw them down there for easier access the next time. So that's always good to know. Automatically hide and show the dock. So what this does is it hides it, and if I move my mouse down and click, it brings the dock back up. So that's a nice little touch. You know, if you find the dock to be annoying, you can just hide it. And whoops, I just opened contacts. My B, contacts. So, yep, and click that, bring it back up. So that's how you do that. So I'm going to just jump back into dock here. That's what I'm going to do. Go to system preferences. And that's another way to get to your dock too. If you don't have to click this and type in dock, you can click this settings gear right here, system preferences rather, and then double click on dock. Right there it is. So I'm just going to untick this and that. So one more thing I want to show you guys is whatever programs you have on your desktop, you can drag down to your dock as well. So Google Chrome I have on my desktop, I can bring it down and drop it anywhere in my dock, so it's there for easier access. Now it may put it here, like if I didn't have it, like if I didn't move it and I was in Chrome, it would move it down here automatically because it senses that I'm using Chrome on a daily basis. So I'll just do VLC player, drag that down. So that's pretty much it, guys. That was just a quick tutorial on the dock, how to customize the dock to your preferences. So hopefully you liked that video. Give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you guys have any questions. And if you're new to the channel, definitely hit that subscribe button. I do a lot of tech reviews, or not tech reviews, tech how-tos, tutorials, guides, just to make everyone's life easier. I'm here to help. So let me know if there's any future videos you want me to touch on, and I will do my best to do that. So until next time, guys, I'll catch you on the next video.